So here's the thing. I have my Black Edition, which I almost did not use, and I came up with an issue where I have this problem. I placed my jog feed at 100%. It can be lower, but this happens. So it loses steps. I've tried to lower it to, let's say, 40. It goes without a big issue, without any issue so far. I also don't like and didn't find a solution for this, where the wires come off and I need to push it into the slot. So I can keep on going. At 40 I can do it. If I go a little bit faster, 70 will already do. I don't think it's misalignment, also 80, but watch. When I have 100% and I come back, no issue at all whatsoever, even at 100%. I go back and it starts again. I need some troubleshooting here. I don't know if it's the belts or the belt tensioner here or some misalignment on the axis. Okay, thank you.